'87 Chevrolet Belair. This car has a 502 crate GM engine with 411 miles, a Weiand 671 blower system, dual 4-barrel carburetors, AC system, power disc brakes at each wheel, Griffin polished aluminum radiator, custom built radiator support to encompass the blower, extremely clean body lines, this car would be a legit show car. The fit and finish of this car is perfect, down to one of the nicest closing doors you could ask for on a classic car. Dakota digital gauge system, two-tone interior, full back seat still intact even though this car is tubbed and narrowed, coilovers with ladder bars, so the stance of this car could be adjusted, but it has a perfect drivable stance the way it is. Very rare that the vehicle comes in this price category, even though it is not cheap. That could be considered Barrett-Jackson quality or show car quality. This car is very much so that. Tubular control arms, four-wheel disc brakes with billet specialties wheels with a proper offset on the rear, full frame off restoration, full nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. The builder of this car, for all of the most recent modifications, is a very high-end local restoration shop. He drove the car up here personally when it got dropped off and commented on how fun the car is to drive and how turnkey it is. This is a car you can jump on the road and drive to a show or drive to a local cruise in. Absolutely plenty of power, still very dependable. Trimick 5-speed transmission, also just installed. Even the power windows, all the wires are hidden, actually running through the hinges, making it work. Extreme attention to detail with this build. VIN number placard still in place. Extremely well built 57 Belair, Pro Street. Call with any questions or jump on our website. Check out any of our other classics, sports cars, or plenty of trucks available of all shapes and sizes. Thanks for watching.